Trading signals, friend or foe? How to use them wisely. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of trading signals. These mysterious messages can seem like a magic bullet to profits, but are they all they're cracked up to be? Let's separate fact from fiction and show you how to use trading signals wisely. What are trading signals? Imagine a little voice in your ear whispering buy or sell at just the right moment. That's the basic idea of a trading signal. They can be generated by technical indicators, fancy algorithms analyzing charts to identify potential entry and exit points. Human analysts, experienced traders sharing their insights based on market trends and news. Types of trading signals. Entry signals tell you when to buy or sell a specific asset based on the indicator's analysis. Exit signals recommend when to close your position to lock in profits or minimize losses. The benefits of using signals. 1. Save time. No need to spend hours glued to charts. Signals can give you a quick heads up on potential trades. 2. Learn from experts. Signals from experienced analysts can expose you to new trading strategies and insights. 3. Boost confidence. Signals can provide a sense of validation for your own trading decisions. But wait, there's a catch. Trading signals are not a guaranteed path to riches. Here's why you need to be cautious. False positives. Signals can be wrong, leading to losing trades. Over-reliance. Don't blindly follow every signal. Do your own research and analysis. Not a crystal ball. Markets are unpredictable. Signals can't guarantee future performance. How to use signals the smart way. 1. Choose your source wisely. Look for reputable signal providers with a proven track record. 2. Understand the strategy. Don't just follow the signal, understand the reasoning behind it. 3. Backtest and demo. Test the signals with historical data and a demo account before risking real money. 4. Confirm with your analysis. Use signals as a starting point, then confirm them with your own technical analysis. 5. Manage risk. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, regardless of the signal. Postscriptum. Now, if you're interested in exploring trading signals further here at IFC Markets, we offer something special: free professional trading signals. That's right, with IFC Markets, you can access high-quality signals generated by our team of experts. These signals can help you identify potential entry and exit points for various assets. Here's how it works. Open a real account. To access the signals, you'll need a live trading account. This allows you to experience the real market environment while leveraging our expert insights. Deposit funds. Add funds to your account to start trading on the signals you receive. Get the signals. Once your account is funded, you'll have access to our free professional trading signals delivered directly to you. Ready to explore trading signals for yourself? Do your research, prioritize responsible trading, and leave a comment below with your experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.